Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It is the Saturday before Easter. Not doing anything special, just doing a bunch of errands and enjoying my Saturday. Currently headed to the car wash because my car needs to be detailed like nobody's business. I don't think it's been detailed since last year, unfortunately. Definitely driven it through the local rinse off car wash, but actually getting it detailed, I honestly think it's been months since I've done that. So definitely need to do that. And after that, I'm gonna head to the gym. And after the gym, I'm gonna go to the nail shop. After the nail shop, I'm gonna go to Ulta. After Ulta, I'm gonna go home and relax and clean all that good stuff for Saturday so I can get ready for tomorrow, Easter. Not doing anything for Easter, but definitely I'm gonna cook, but not doing anything special. So yeah, just trying to enjoy my weekend, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, just got my car washed. You should have seen most of that. Definitely took some footage of my car being washed, all that good stuff. But like I said, today is Saturday, the day before Easter Sunday, and this church in my area is having some huge event. I mean, like a massive event where they're having a mass baptism, for Easter Sunday. I think it's pretty cool. It's called Baptize Arizona. I think it's that particular event, or this particular event is associated with a specific church. I think it's VOPHX Church, and I apologize if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, but huge baptism event that is either happening today or tomorrow, but they're getting set up for it today, and it looks massive. So yeah, let me see if I can actually get some footage of it. Okay, so just pulled up to the gym, just parked. Gonna change out my sunglasses to my regular glasses, and I'm gonna head in. Hopefully it's not super packed. You never know with a Saturday, but hopefully it's not. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna do quite a bit of stretching. So I'm gonna grab my mat because I don't trust the gym mat. So I'm gonna bring my mat so I can stretch. And let me see the percentage that my headphones is on as well. Okay. I think we're good to go as far as headphone chargedness. But I do keep a spare set of headphones as well in my gym bag. All right, so I'm gonna head in. That way, some time I'm gonna head in and see you guys later. Okay, so I got done with the gym. I inserted a few clips of myself in the gym working out today. but not a ton. I'm definitely like the type that I want to get in the gym, do my workout, and leave. But now I'm headed to the nail shop, but just wiping my hands down, all that good stuff. Get all the germs off my hands from the gym. I got these little wet ones, antibacterial wipes that I carry with me in my gym bag. So we're gonna do that. I do that, and then I have my Purell that I also use in addition to. Okay, now I'm going to take off my glass nails and put my sunnies on. Oh shoot, got my headphones still on. Anyway, so now I'm just going to head to the nail shop. Gonna get a fill. I am long overdue for a fill. Oh my gosh, I like cannot see my hand in the camera because of the sun. But yeah, long overdue for a fill. Then after that, I said I'm going to Ulta, but I'm getting kind of tired. I don't know, we'll see. But I think I still am going to go to Ulta. We'll see once I get out of the nail shop. But I'll see you in the nail shop.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Do you want me to check in now?
No worries. Lose the traffic jam. I'll get. Okay, so done with my nails. Here they are. I got another red color. If you know, you know. I've been on a red nail color journey kick, whatever. Red nail theory. Look it up. Totally into it. Totally believe in it. So I'm gonna try and keep my nails red for the first 6 months of the year until summer starts, and then I'll kind of change my nail color up to do some more fun, summery, orangey, pinky, yellowy colors. But keeping my nails red for the foreseeable future. Love them. It looks clean. It looks simple. It looks classic. Yeah. But done with my nails. I was supposed to go to Ulta, but I'm kind of tired, so I think I'm gonna go home. Think I'm gonna do my weekly everything shower. Do that earlier in the day, so I'm not doing it later in the evening. Get that over with. Chill, hang out. Kind of prep for tomorrow. Figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. If we're gonna cook. If we're going to kind of post a. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home, and that's my day for today. Thanks guys for coming along with me. Bye.